It froze again. Now I'm just gonna be messing around.
Are all you need to make Thanksgiving magic. Chex Party Mix. It's what Thanksgiving is made of.
Alright, you guys ready? Thank you, by the way, for all the incredible support. If you want to see more Hello Neighbor, alright. I'll pick like 2 or 3 and do one more video, and then I'll make a video. So yeah, just comment below anything you want me to try out, and then we'll be good. On a roll. Okay, there we go. Thanks, bye, Ms. Moloch. Alright, so let's go over here now, because I'm hoping there is a third floor in this building, but you never know. What the heck? Is that open? No. I don't want to get too close, but smile, cheese. What is that? Oh, it's a piece of the... What the heck is going on? What is this? The house is all glitched. What the heck? What house is this? Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm really confused. You know, when I loaded in the game, we saw the cutscene where he opens the door. Apparently that breaks this. Okay. Don't mind me, sir. I'm going upstairs. Yup, your house is... Okay, completely broken. The stairs should be right here. Yeah. Oh, no! There's an invisible wall! Are you kidding me? Come on, please. No, come on. Come on. You can do it. Just, how about we get up? This might work. Oh, see? Yep. Yeah, the trash can elevator will work. There's a... Oh, no, maybe this will work. It will work as long as it's leaning against something solid.
I changed my name.
Okay, that doesn't work because that's in the way.
This is the NE I was
I don't
talking
think we
about.
can get up there, especially not when the house is messed up. Because all the roofs have an overhang. Well, that stinks. Okay,
This
let me try
slash
one more thing. And
that
then,
little
okay, that
and
scares me
little
every
thing.
time.
And then
I don't
this.
expect to see him there like that. Okay,
That.
ready?
That's my new name.
Glitch through. Glitch! Oh, that's down there. I don't think we can get up there, unfortunately. It's blocked off. But hey, it was just a theory. A game theory. What is up there? That's where the roller coaster comes in, I think. Why am I actually like sticking my head up? Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't work like that. Okay, well, that stinks, but I don't think we can get up there. Which is a...
I'm so tiny.
So, you know what, this time, okay, we're gonna go over there and get on the roller coaster now. But yeah, I don't think there's anything up there as of yet. maybe if you know a way for me to get up there, let me know. I can try it in the next video. But for now, let's just hop back over. Such an emotional song. You can just hear the emotion for every trash can hit. The lyrics just speak to me. I think I'm losing my mind when I have to hear this so much. Oh gosh. It's a lot more difficult getting back over for some reason. Are we at the top? Can we be done with this? Okay, come on. No, it's like, he just doesn't... I'm just gonna reload the game. Yes, okay. Finally, I didn't want to have to reload the game because I have to do the intro thing again. But anyways, you know what? Oh, there we go. Why are we walking so slow? Can you run? Apparently not. Okay. So this is not how you do it, by the way. That's not... I didn't think that was gonna work. Why is there a bear trap here? So, okay, anyways, hold on. Stop. Oh, great, now he's gonna be running off. Yes. Who did that? Who dared? Bear trap, don't interfere with my business, would you? Alright, well, this is what I was trying to do. Yay. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm scared. No, I don't know what to do.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of
What happened? Oh god, this is gonna hurt when we land. It's gonna be a painful landing. You know what? My friend Sam told me that whenever you get buried alive, that's on the map. And usually in game devs, they find that into a spot that's inaccessible. So that could be, that buried alive spot could be there. Because last year they put that there. I don't think it's possible for us to get there now. We're just gonna fall into the abyss. But well, I'm gonna get on the Notice when it zoomed in, get on the You know what I just realized? You know what I just realized? This is the other house. Notice when it zoomed in, there was no garage door, and there's only the two. That's why. This is the other house. It's like this cutscene. But that's what it is. And then he gets frozen right there. So if you go back over there, you can see when it zoomed in, it had no garage door. Well, now we figured out the other house. That's cool. Anyways, yeah, I'm back. Hi. But I wanted it to be as bright as like the bright daytime. But now we know. That's cool. So that other house, as of now, works as a cutscene area. But anyways, let's. Okay, please don't throw me up very high, trash can. I got scared last time. Oh gosh, it's gonna happen again. It's probably gonna happen again. Roller coaster, do you mind? I need to keep going up. We lost it for a second. Wait, what if we go around and we try from this side? Yes, this side. Hopefully the better side. Stay here, trash can. There we go. It's so difficult with the spinning. It's just like you don't know. It's like, where am I going? I don't know. See, the thing is, why are you going that way? Huh? You got beef? There's a wall there. I just realized. Seriously, do I have to file all my phones? Honestly? It's there. Get that out of my way. I am determined. No! Okay, you know what? I think I have an idea. There we go. It's over here. I'm gonna place down another trash can, and that will like fling me. If I can get, I'll just sit here and try. See you guys in like what 10 hours probably. I wonder if the devs Tiny Build had this in mind.
That was the
Like, yeah, this
enemy
is
I
what
was
people are
talking
gonna
about.
do with our game. This is like not what we were thinking. Okay, try to determine there's an invisible wall there, because there is no way. I keep trying everything. Invisible wall. Wait a second. Wait a second. I gotta end this video. Definitely an invisible wall there. We very, very shortly. And I'd say this video turned out pretty good. Hope we all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.